Welcome! We are at Twicro headquarters for Asia Pacific. We are supporting 8++ countries. Uniform and premium reporting when testing is very important for us. How do we do it? Come with me.
Hello, I'm the main researcher in our group, and sometimes it happens that I decide to add a new parameter that has to be used by all our subsidiaries in their testing as well.
Hi, I test multiple batches a day and I need the report to be ready with one click when I finish testing.
Hello, hi, I'm presenting all the improvement to the management, so I need it to be uniform and clear.
When I test, I use the testXpert 3 function organization data. I just create a parameter, copy it, assign it to all my colleagues worldwide for their testing.
When I test, I use testXpert 3 function organization data. I know that if there's any change in the requirements for testing, it will automatically appear in my testXpert 3.
When I test, I use testXpert 3 function organization data. I can use the prepared uniform reports. I know that each subsidiary is testing the same parameters and each report has the same design layout.
Our favorite testXpert 3 feature is the function organization data. If there is any change in reporting we need to apply worldwide, we simply change the master and everything is done within a few clicks. It's simple, uniform and premium.